Okay, so I'm going to keep this video short and sweet because the other one's kind of dragged on a little bit. So in this video we're just going to do something really simple but really cool. We're going to make an external style sheet. And so far we've had the internal style sheet. That was where we wrote something like this. Sorry, inline style sheet. That was something like this. Style equals, and then the CSS rule, and then finish that. That's an inline style sheet. Then we were doing internal style sheets, which is up here in the head section. We've got the style section here, and these are all the rules, the internal rules. But now we're going to do an external style sheet. And we're going to copy all of this into a new file, and I'll show you why this is useful. So imagine here we've got our website, and our website has got lots of, hang on, let's just get a brush. Our website has got lots of pages. So we've got a home page, and that kind of links to another page over here, and this page, and then we've got another page over here, and we've got another page over, and there's all sorts of links going on here in between them. Okay, so that's kind of complicated, but that's our whole website here. Okay, now what if we want to change the color for the headers on every single page nice and quickly? Well, we'd have to go to each page and set the CSS on each page. Now there's an easier way. What we can do is we can make a CSS file. This is an external CSS file, and it's called the CSS file. And this will have the rules for every single page on the website. Every single page. And so we change it once on the CSS file, and it changes it everywhere on the site. Nice and easy. So, how do we do this external CSS file? This is how we do it. I'll show you now. My file here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these rules, and I'm going to copy them. In fact, I'll cut them because we don't want them in here anymore. I'm going to cut them, and I'm going to save this while I've got it, and I'm going to make a new file, and I'm going to paste these rules in here. So it's just the CSS rules and nothing else. Okay, now I'm going to save this. Save. I'm going to save it in my website folder, wherever it is, and I'm going to save it as, you can call it pretty much anything you want, but we're going to make it nice and simple. This is what they usually call it. Style, S-T-Y-L-E dot CSS, and that's the important bit, because .css means it's a CSS file. So we're going to save that. Now, get rid of that. So we've now got two files. We've got our home page, and then page 2, and we've got a CSS, a cascading style sheet document. Now, how do we link this so that the rules link into this? How do we make this CSS sheet work on this page here? Well, what we need to do is we need to do what's called a link, an external CSS link, and I've got how to do that. I've got that on the W3 Schools website here, and this is how you do it. In the header, you need a link like this. So I'm going to copy that, I'm going to paste it into here. So we're inside the header tag here, and I'm going to paste that link, and it says essentially triangular brackets link. The relationship, the type of link is a style sheet. The type of link, the format is in text and CSS, and the actual reference, the hypertext reference is, well, that actually is wrong. That should be style, S-T-Y-L-E. So href equals quotation marks S-T-Y-L-E dot CSS quotation marks, and then we finish with a forward slash to say that's the end of this tag. And if you save that, and you save the style sheet over here, oh, doesn't seem to be, hang on, no, I think that's okay, that's saved, so that's saved already. and we go over here, well, in fact, hopefully, if everything's worked fine, we won't see any changes. That's perfect, because essentially it's taking the rules from an external style sheet. And what we could do is we could go and put this style sheet into this page here, page 2. We could put it into any of our other pages. And all we do then is change one rule in the style sheet, and it would change all of our website, our whole website. And maybe just to finish, I'll just show you a great website that shows this example. So we've got Zen Garden, somewhere, Zen Garden, CSS Zen Garden. This is a website that shows this, how great this external style sheet is. Because, well, not just external style sheet, but CSS sheets. Effectively, this page here has got words on it. It's got a title here, it's got some words here and so on. And I'm going to change the page here, but the words stay the same. All that's happened is they've changed the style sheet. And so now the words it looks different, but the words are actually the same. These are the same words, but it's just got a different design. So that's how cool CSS can be if you're really good. And here's another one. See, it looks completely different again. It's the same words with the same title, but it's a different design. Here's another one. I just love looking through these because there's some really cool, really fun ones in here. So anyway, there we go. Not too long of a video, and I'll have to think what I'm going to do for my next video now. So hopefully you've learned some CSS, and hopefully you're working hard on your own websites. So see you soon. Bye bye.